Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds AirPods Pro free. In this video I'm going to use this type of brush. If you haven't cleaned tools you can also use the toothbrush. Then I'm going to use ear sticks and isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol doesn't conduct electricity, so there will be no short circuit. At the bottom of each earbud we have silver lines. This one is charging contacts. Also we have charging contacts in the charging case. So firstly I'm going to apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts at my left earbud. And now I'm going to clean it with the brush. Okay, now I need to apply it for the right earbud. Also we have the microphone here, so we clean also the microphone. Now I will apply isopropyl alcohol at the charging contacts in the charging case. And for this I'm going to use ear stick. And the right one. Also, I want to clean the grills, so we need to remove ear tips. Here we go, and then we can clean it with a brush. Okay, and the right one. Here we go. Then we can put ear tips back. It's pretty easy, easier there to remove them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.